I'm living my best life. Yeah, yeah. I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's, you know.
Gracias por la atención. Se hace lo mejor que se puede, pero se hace de corazón. Vamos, gracias, muy bien. Gracias. ¿Cuántas tienes fuera? Le das uno del gusano, se hace cuánto por el del gusano.
Right there. That. Hold on. Right there. Right there.
Back.
No se lo voy a negar. Si la mujer pide, yo le voy a dar. Y se puede empezar el latino que. Y yo quiero sentir la energía de los latinos de esta noche, como está la gente.
¿Y cómo te lo hacía ella quería?
Si yo no quiero seguir solo, pero sé que te boté, de mi vida te boté.
¿Estamos ready? ¿Estamos ready? ¿Dónde están las mujeres solteras? Aquí están. Gracias, Rosalito, que Dios los bendiga siempre. Que sea hasta la próxima. ¿Dónde está mi latino?
Hey guys, so it's now day 2 out in Rosarito. We ended up getting a 2-bedroom because I forgot to get a hotel, and last minute this is what was available. So at least we got a room and we didn't have to sleep in the car. But oh my god, I lost my tweezers. Yeah, this is basically my setup. This other bed is being used as my vanity, and I did bring my ring light because I wasn't sure if there was gonna be a big enough window. Last time we got a hotel that had, no, it was the same hotel, but a room that had like no windows, and it was really dark. So, you know, I brought my ring light as backup. However, I leave the door open and I just use the natural light, and it's actually fine. Clearly, guys, the Makeup Shack, I brought a bunch of Makeup Shack stuff. By the way, if you're ever on the go or you ever go somewhere, I know I look crazy right now, but ignore that. And you need somewhere to carry your lashes, I suggest you guys get this. This is from the Makeup Shack, a discount code Erika, but basically you can hold all your lashes in here. And I don't like to hold a bunch of stuff, so it saves me from bringing a bunch of lash boxes. Also, I didn't want to bring in a palette for my eyes, so I'm using the Makeup Shack, wait, I was gonna say rainforest silhouette contour palette for my eyes. And bitch, we gonna keep it simple, but everything's gonna be looking cute. So that's that. I hope you guys are liking this video so far. I have been making little clips of what I've been doing here, only because there's so much going on and there's music being played everywhere that I don't want to get copyrighted. So I hope you guys can bear with me. By the way, Makeup Shack lash glue. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will check in a bit later with you guys, but for now, let me put my lashes on.
No, yo nunca lo he visto. A lo mejor ni el láser lo hace. Cuidado porque esa muchacha le va a robar la idea.
I fucking hate you. You know what? Drink your drink.
You got like a piston. You know what a piston looks like, right?
Yeah, he's pushing it in.
Yeah, it has it in there. Yeah, it does. Yeah. I think that's piston.
Yeah, it is. That's what he's going.
The carro, ¿verdad?
Look at the steering wheel.
I know, con esto puede mover el carrito tirando.
Like, I like the white stuff. Gracias.
Yeah, let's go back, Joe. No, go ahead, I'm not going to. I give you this one.
Fuck that.
You win it.
Yes, I want this one.
It's a good bottle. No, it's
No. Get him over it.
no, hey, that's too much. That's too much.
Shit.
That's way too much.
Oh, I have it backwards. Guys, according to Inez, I gave everyone shots but her, so. Hey, you have to take a shot with us. Okay.
No, do it. Yeah, no, we gotta come to fight. 1, 2, 3, no.
I hate you.
That's it. Que tiene everything mixed. Yeah. Those look good right there. Which one? That right there with
Y'all always ask me, what do I eat? What do I do, bitch? I eat. I'm not fucking eat as well. And I go to the gym, but I eat a lot.
way too late.
Tony, can I tell you something? I poured my drink inside your whole ass cup 2 times. That's when you were like, you didn't drink it, you poured it in Richard's. I actually poured it in yours. In the tall one.
Oh, you asshole. I'm gonna get you tonight. Oh, you fucked up now. You really fucked up now.
I will stay right here. You are this way. Well, let me practice. Practice so you don't break that. Take his food first before he takes mine.
Yeah. Sucker.
Why are you taking my food?
Es menudo, ¿verdad? ¿Es menudo? Sí, menudo.
I didn't like the eggs. How do you guys like my braids? Bitch has short ass fucking hair, so this is what I chose. So this is a line that we have to wait in, guys. It hasn't even fucking moved. Like, bro, this shit usually takes about 4 hours, and this motherfucker just pulled up next to you, so he better not. Like I was saying, guys, because I'm so tired of being in the fucking sun. I mean, look at this glow. This shit is popping, but a bitch is gonna get real sunburned. So I will check in with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this vlog. I know it was kind of like iffy, but I was honestly trying to live my best life while trying to film at the same time. So I wasn't really on my phone while being on my phone. I haven't even been on the gram, guys. I only went on the gram today to post a picture, and then I was like, bitch, I'm out. But I'll be getting back to that tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. Yes, tomorrow. Like I said, I try to stay away from my phone on the weekends, and especially this weekend, because I was like, girl, I'm out living my best life. With that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed my ratchetness. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. It is Muaerika18. Link is always below, as well as my discount codes. What else? Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, you know, right here. This little thing right here. And leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. If you little ratchet ass be like me, say what's up, boo. I'm kidding, guys. I'm just totally kidding. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time.